Today we're going to be reviewing a portable charging stations for your Meta glasses. Here's what comes in the box. These are compatible with the Wayfarer, the Skylers, the Headliners, and the Oakley HSTN. So this is portable. It comes in 3 different colors. It brings a manual that will tell you what lights will turn on when you're charging, when you're not charging, and when you're fully charged. USB Type-C to USB-A cable. Then you have the station, the charging station, portable charging station. This is metal. This is not plastic. It's metal. That's how it looks. Has rubber. It has rubber on the bottom so it doesn't slip. It has 2 LEDs here that light up when you are charging it, so you know that your glasses are charging. It does use the same technology as the Ray-Ban case, so don't worry about breaking or messing your glasses. So like I said, once you put it down, it's there. It says here, pulsing orange is charger is powered, pulsing green is charging, solid green is fully charged, and red is not charging. So you misplace your glasses. So let me connect it so you can see it at work, and I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Just in case, you can use the same cable. You want to charge your case and you want to have these just to put it at night or whatever when you go travel or whatever. So you can see it's booting up right now. It has the LEDs turned on. I'm gonna put the glasses here so you can see them in action. My glasses should be charged already, but I'm gonna put them here. You just sit them in the top part, and as I told you, they're charged. They're charging, but mine are already charged because they were on the case. That's why they're all solid grain. If it was charging, the green will be pulsing, and if it was red, I misplaced the glasses. But it's really hard to misplace them, and I hope you can see these hold them really tight, so they won't go anywhere. So there you have it. It's very convenient. You can put it in your luggage, in your book bag, anywhere that it will fit, because it's definitely a small unit. So you can put it anywhere, in a book bag, everywhere, anywhere. It's portable, convenient. You don't want to take your case, you can just take your portable station. Very well priced, very well made. It works great. Definitely recommend it. So go get yours. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.